Alright guys, we're back out here again. Let's get this thing uncovered and start taking some more stuff off. Alright. Alright, we got this thing unwrapped. Let's get to work. Alright guys, it's time to get this thing in the air. Need to do that, so I'm going to be getting under it soon. So let's just do it now and get it done. Get the front. Under it. That's the main thing. I might not be able to get this thing up on jack stands. Over yours just fell down. Glad I wasn't under it. When I went to reposition the jack and I let it down, the rear end went this way. That's what happened. The ground's too soft back there. There's not enough gravel like up front. So I don't have, see how the car's angled now? Because it fell to the left when the jack stand sank when I let it down. So yeah, that could have been bad. I'll show you. There we go. See? Wow. Now my jack stand's stuck under that tire. You can see it fell to the, it just went whoop. Now my car's at a weird angle. That's annoying. But I'm glad I wasn't under it. That would have been a bad day. Alright, well, I guess I'm not going to chance that. The ground's too soft back here. So I guess we're not putting it in the air, guys. I can get this rear brake light cover off. Okay, we got that. So, let's see if we can finish taking out these headlights. stud so it won't come out. Unremovable stud. So, and then this piece is sandwiched in between this piece and this piece. So, you need to be able to move this forward. The boot that covers the Allen nut. Gotta take that off. And then you can manually lift your headlights. Number one. Ow. And disconnected. Number two. Alright guys, we got the headlights out, so alright guys, I'm gonna get these mirrors off these doors. That's what we're doing next. Pretty easy since we have the door panel off. This cover and the wiring harness out. 310mm looks like. Boom. Done donut. Door handle off of here too. But to do that, you gotta drill this rivet out. No problem. Go get my drill. And there's just this little plastic clip you move, unhook the door latch. That's it. There we go. Done. Easy peasy, lemon. Let's go to the other side, guys. Let's do the other side. I gotta move my jack. Boom. Easy. Lemon. Got him. Both sides, got both handles, both mirrors. Let's see what unwiring I can do. Alright guys, I gotta get this thing in the air and it's just not cooperating in my driveway, so can't really get under the car and get these wheels off to remove the fender liners and undo all these bottom bolts without my car in the air. So I don't feel safe with the way it fell down earlier. So I'm just gonna have to wait till I get it to my friend's house and get on his lift to take the engine out. I'll just do it then. I was planning on having all that done before we got there, but yeah, I just don't feel safe in this driveway. It's too soft. It's been raining too much, so alright. Till the next one. Catch you catch you guys later. Peace.